Hola María, estamos dando un paseo por la playa de Valencia y nos hemos dado cuenta de que hoy es tu cumpleaños.
Y así que hemos decidido pues este día pues para venir aquí, felicitarte y mandarte un beso muy grande.
Bueno, nos vamos a estudiar. Un beso.
Holly came from Miami, FLA. Hitchhiked away across USA. Plucked her eyebrows on the way, shaved her legs, and then he was a she. She says, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. Said, hey honey, take a walk on the wild side. Candy came from out on the island. In the back room she was everybody's darling, but she never lost her head, even when she was given head.